well, ठीक है, but I have gave you question number 14, ठीक है. Just I am telling you one more question, that is question number 14. Okay. It is looking too much odd. This is written in the product. What are the terms here? 1 plus 1 upon 1, 1 plus 1 upon 1. Similarly, 1 plus 1 upon 2, 1 plus 1 upon 3, 1 plus 1 upon 2, 1 plus 1 upon 3, and so on. 1 plus 1 upon n equal to n plus 1. ठीक है. These terms are written in the product. The sum of these terms is equal to n plus 1, which we have to prove. ठीक है. तो इसमें we will prove for n is equal to 1. If you check for n is equal to 1, n equal to 1, if you take the product of one term, that will be equal to 1 plus 1 upon 1 means that is equal to 2. Right, left hand side. ठीक है. Right hand side will be also n की जगह if you put 1, you will get 2 only. So it is 2 4 n is equal to 1. So let us assume, yeah, let us suppose it is 2 4 n equal to m. So if we are assuming that it is 2 4 n equal to m, so we are writing here 1 plus 1 upon 2, 1 plus 1 upon 3, and so on, 1 plus 1 upon m equal to m plus 1. We have assumed that it is 2 4 n equal to m. Why? By assuming this one, we will prove for n equal to m plus 1. We have to prove now for n equal to m plus 1. ठीक है. So now we are writing here 1 plus 1 upon 1, 1 plus 1 upon 2, plus 1 upon 1 upon 3, and so on. ठीक है. Last term will be 1 upon m plus 1, but second last will be term 1 plus 1 upon m. The last term will be 1 plus 1 upon m plus 1. So it should be equal to m plus 2. We have to prove this one. ठीक है. So we take the left hand side of this expression. Network was disconnected. Okay. Just see again. The product of these all terms we have to prove equal to n plus 1. So method is for n is equal to 1, we check the left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is equal to 2 and right hand side is also equal to 2. फिर after that we assume it is 2 4 n equal to m. So we have written the same way. In place of n we are writing m. After assuming it is a 2 4 n is equal to m, we have to prove now for n equal to m plus 1. So we have written in place of n, m plus 1. Before this term will be 1 upon m. Before this term will be 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon m minus 1. but there is no need to write all the terms. Okay, because we know the sum of these sum up to starting this one to this term, we know the product of these terms. We can use this relation, which is equal to m plus 1. After using this relation, we have taken the LCM m plus 1, m plus 1 plus 1, yani कि it is equal to m plus 2. We are cancelled this m plus 1, or we got m plus 2, which is equal to right hand side, which we had to prove. Okay. In this way, we have completed this question. If you have, this was the question number आपका 14. So 13 and 14 is exactly similar question. Okay, 13 I did at the last day, but it was not completed. That's why I have told you this question 14. Okay, method is exactly same. So 15 is also the same question as we have done in the earlier. In question number 5th में square term थी. Question number 2nd was the cube, है ना? This is exactly 15 question is same. So 16 or 17 is also same. Now I am doing the question number 16. ठीक है, either 16 or 17. One question I will do, the second you have to do. But a question number 16, just see the question number 16. 1 upon 1 into 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 7 plus 1 upon 7 into 10 is equal to 1 upon 3, into 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1, which is equal to n upon 3n plus 1. n upon 3n plus 1. ठीक है, ये this we have to prove. So we have to prove, so for n is equal to 1, first of all, we are checking for n is equal to 1. This is n. n upon 3n plus 1. So left hand side में, if you observe that it is equal to 1 upon 1 into 4, यानी कि 1 upon 4. Or right hand side is equal to, if we put n is equal to 1, so we will get 1 upon 4. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So it is 2, 4, n is equal to 1. Now let us suppose it is 2, 4, n equal to m. So we will write 1 upon 1 into 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 7 plus 1 upon 7 into 10, 1 upon 3m minus 2 or 3m plus 1, ठीक है, equal to m upon 3m plus 1. This is equation, suppose करो 1. ठीक है, we can use this relation for proving for n is equal to m plus 1. Now we are proving for n equal to m plus 1. 1 upon 4 into 7 plus 1 upon 7 into 10. Now we are writing in place of m, ठीक है, m plus 1. So what will happen? It will be equal to 1 upon 3m plus 1 or 3m प्लस 4, ठीक है, 3m प्लस 1 और 3m प्लस 4. Before this term, if you want to write, before this term will be, चलो अभी अब we are writing only this term only, 1/7 into 10. So we have to prove the sum should be equal to m plus 1 upon divided by, if we write in place of m plus 1, this will be equal to 3m plus 4. यानी कि we have to prove this relation, that is equation number 2. From equation 1, by using the relation of equation 1, we have to prove the equation 2. So we are taking left hand side of this one is equal to 1 upon 1 into 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 7. ठीक है, I'm not writing this term because earlier term we have to write 3m minus 2 or 3m plus 1 plus the last term is of this sequence is 1 upon 3m plus 1 or 3m plus 4. Three m plus 1 or 3m plus 4. ठीक है, now we can use this relation which is equal to, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो सम है वो we can use this relation which is equal to m upon 3m plus 1. So we are using this relation m upon 3m plus 1 plus this term we are writing as it is 1 upon 3m plus 1 or 3m plus 4. ठीक है, now we can take, we have to simplify this relation. 1 upon 3m plus 1 or 3m plus 4. ठीक है, now we have to simplify using, now we are taking, we can take the LCM 3m plus 1 or 3m plus 4. So now I am rubbing this line. If we take the LCM, so LCM will be equal to 3m plus 1 or 3m plus 4. If we divide 3m plus 1, so we will get only m, which is equal to m into 3m plus 4 plus, here we will get the 1 only, we are multiplying, if we multiply 1 into 1, we will get 1 only. Now we have to simplify this relation. If we multiply this one, so 3m square plus 4m plus 1 divided by 3m plus 1 or 3m plus 4. Now you have to simplify this one by taking, by splitting the middle term. If you split the middle term, so you can factor 3m square plus 3m. नेक्स्ट लाइन में स्पेस नहीं आ पाएगा, तो आई विल डू हियर. ठीक है, So if we split the middle term, 3m square plus 3m plus m plus 1 divided by 3m plus 1, 3m plus 4. देखो यहाँ तक हमने कर लिया इसको. अब यहाँ पर we can take 3m common. So you will get, if you take 3m common, you will get 3m plus 1 and 3m. देखिए 3m if you can take common, you will get m plus 1. So you will get 3m plus 1 or m plus 1 divided by 3m plus 1 into m 3m plus 4. You can cancel 3m plus 1. So you go get here m plus 1 divided by 3m plus 4. This we have to prove. यही हमें जो है प्रूव करना था. तो सेम रिजल्ट वी गेट. तो इसमें सिर्फ इतना सा कैलकुलेशन जो है, बस यू हैव टू टेक द एलसीएम. आफ्टर taking LCM, you have to simplify. If you get the quadratic equation or cubic equation, you have to factorize only. So here you are getting only the quadratic equation. ठीक है. So after getting quadratic equation, you have to split the middle term. So after splitting the middle term, you can cancel. ठीक है. Whatever the common factor we get in numerator and denominator, after cancelling, we get the result. In most of the question, the same method, same procedure we are using. There is no change. Okay. But if you are not able to split the middle term, or if you are not able to do the problems which are related to 9th and 10th, then it becomes difficult. Otherwise, it is very simple. So we have completed up to question number. This was the question number 16. So 17 you have to do yourself. Okay. 18th question I am just going to tell you. 18. Okay. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. They are little different. Okay. The method you have to adopt same way. You have to check for n is equal to 1. After that, we will assume that it is 2 for n equal to m. Then we will prove for n is equal to m plus 1. देखो बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 है 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. It is less than 1 upon 8. Two n plus 1 whole 1 upon 8 2n plus 1 whole square. ठीक है. This we have to. For n equal to 1, if we check n equal to 1 means the sum of one term, that will be equal to left hand, it will be equal to 1, or if we put n is equal to 1 in right side, so we will get 2 plus 1 यानी कि 3 square of 3 9 upon 8. So 9 upon 8, ठीक है, 1 is less than 9 upon 8 because it is greater than 1. So which is true. So it is written in the inequality. So we have written in the same way, which is true. Now suppose it is true for n equal to m. In the same way, we are writing 1 plus 2 plus 3 and m 1/8 2m plus 1 whole square, यानी कि n is equal to m के लिए it is 2. So we have assumed this relation. We have given the name equation 1. We can use this relation. ठीक है. So it means we are assuming that it is true. So now we will prove for n equal to m plus 1, 2 plus 3, and m plus 1 is less than 1/8. ठीक है. If we write in place of m plus 1, so we will get 2m plus 2, यानी कि 2m plus 3 whole square. So we have to prove this one. So how we can prove? So we can use the relation which we have assumed that it is true for n equal to m. Suppose if we take this one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 from equation 1. Okay. We are writing only equation 1 only. M less than 1/8 2m plus 1 whole square. देखिए ये जो पोर्शन है दैट इज लेस देन दिस पोर्शन. इफ वी ऐड द, देखिए अगर 3 इज लेस देन 5, 3 में अगर हम 2 ऐड करते हैं और 5 में भी 2 ऐड करते हैं तो 3 plus 2 that will be 5 और 5 plus 2 will be 7. तो 5 will be less than 7, यानी कि सेम चीज if we add the both side the result we will get the same. ठीक है. इनइक्वलिटी विल नॉट बी चेंज. इनइक्वलिटी में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ठीक है. अगर हम सेम चीज इधर वाला पोर्शन, अगर लेफ्ट साइड वाला पोर्शन छोटा है कंपेरेटिवली टू राइट हैंड साइड वाले पोर्शन से, सेम चीज अगर हम ऐड कर देते हैं दोनों तरफ तो इनइक्वलिटी क्या होगा, इधर वाला पोर्शन छोटा ही रहेगा. ठीक है. अगर हम ज्यादा ऐड करते हैं तब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी राइट साइड में. अगर हम लेफ्ट साइड में ज्यादा चीज ऐड करेंगे और लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड में कम ऐड करेंगे देन द इनइक्वलिटी में गेट चेंज. ठीक है. इक्वली अगर वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड और वी आर एडिंग समथिंग ग्रेटर टू राइट साइड, there will not be change in inequality. So we are adding m plus 1 both sides, m plus 1 here also or m plus 1 here also. So if we have added m plus 1 both sides, so what we will get? We will get here 1 plus 2 plus 3 m plus 1 less than 8. We have taken the LCM. If we take the LCM 8 here, तो 2m plus 1 whole square यानी कि 4m square plus 1 plus 4m plus ये 8m plus ये m plus 1 जो है we have added to, ये m plus 1 जो हमने लिया है we are adding here m plus 1 because of the space I have written here. No, you are able to see this one or not? Yes, it is clear. So we are taking the LCM. So we will get here 8m plus 8. ठीक है. So what we get here, the left hand side what we want to get, but in right hand side we want to get 2m plus 3, यानी कि 2m का मतलब 4m square, 3 का स्क्वायर 9, तो 8 plus 1 that will be equal to 9. 2 2 जा 4 3 जा 12m, so 4m plus 8m. So whatever we want to get, we are getting same way, same number, same expression, 2m plus 3 whole square. ठीक है. Divided by 8. If you open this one, है ना, 2m का स्क्वायर विच विल बी इक्वल टू 4m स्क्वायर. तो 4m square we are here. The square of 3 will be equal to 9. So 8 plus 1 which is equal to 9. 2 3 is 6, 2 is 12m. So 4m plus 8m which is equal to 12m. So the same process we have adopted here also. First of all, we have proved 4n is equal to 1. After that, we have proved 4n is equal to m. We have assumed it is 2, 4n is equal to m. So n is equal to m, we have just written in place of n, we have written m only. Okay. This is the equation 1. So this relation we can use wherever we need. So now by using this relation, we have to prove this inequality. So this, for proving this inequality, generally we are taking the left hand side, but here, okay, we have taken the whole inequality from equation 1. So whole inequality after getting, we have added the m plus 1 both sides. जो हमें इक्वेशन 1 में इनइक्वलिटी थी, जो इक्वेशन 1 थी, जो हमने एक्सप्रेशन 1 लिया था, उसमें हमने क्या काम किया है, m plus 1 को दोनों तरफ ऐड किया है. We have added m plus 1 both sides. ठीक है. After adding m plus 1 both sides, so we left hand side we get easily, but whatever we want to prove. In right hand side also, nothing we have done. We have taken the LCM only. We get right hand side very easily. What we want to prove, this has been completed here. Okay. So this inequality, the same manner. अच्छा, question number उसके बाद 19, 20, they are something different questions. So today we have completed up to question number 18. Okay. Just try to complete this question number 18. From 16th, you know very well our school is going to be open. So you just take care of whatever you have not done your work, you know, just try to complete that one. Because whenever I check the notebook, only 2-3 students send their notebook for checking. Okay, their work also was not complete. So now you have the 3-4 days. If you have not completed, just try to complete your homework, your notebook, class notebook. The homework is too much less. The mostly question I completed on the board only. Okay, you have to note down only and complete on your class notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. If you want to ask something, so you can ask any problem. Hello.